Hello, good evening, folks. I'm here in my veggie garden and I've planted a row of marigold plants. They're tiny little plants and they've already started to bloom. Hey, Bali. And we've got different colors. This is a bright yellow, orange with yellow mixture, plain yellow, orange, yellow again, a mixture. So they're really pretty looking, colorful, and you can add a bit of brightness to your garden. So this one apparently repels white flies, so you can grow it as a companion plant next to the broccoli or cabbage family. So it helps in combating the white flies organically without any harsh chemicals. And the next plant that I just put it here, they are known as French sorrel or just sorrel, botanical name Rumex, and they're nice looking plant, green foliage with dark maroon veins. It's been derived from the French word sour, meaning sour. So that's the sorrel. So this has high vitamin C and it is diuric. It's very detoxifying, contains rich flavonoids, very healthy. If you're having a stomach ache, or if you are feeling constipated or uneasy, just put some 2-3 leaves in boiling water and make a tea out of it. It's really cleansing and detoxifying, and it is anti-inflammatory as well. So this is the sorrel. So I've just it looks like the chard or the silver beet, but yeah, it's completely different and tastes different too. It's very sour. So this is the sorrel. This is the second plant that I put today. Another tiny little plant is the gotu-kola. Very tiny. It's also packed with antioxidants, a lot of vitamins and rich minerals as well. So this one is really tiny. It likes part shade or complete shade like this. So I've put it under this lemon tree, and this is in full sun. Marigold likes to be in full sun, so does the sorrel. So gotu-kola, they're shade loving plants and they like their area to be wet or moist most of the times. So I've planted it here. Some say you shouldn't be putting anything under a citrus tree because it doesn't like competition, but this one is a fairly old plant. I would say maybe 10 to 15 years old, so it should still be okay here. So this is the gotu-kola, also known as Indian pennywort or arthritis herb. It's a medicinal herb, very tiny. I have few growing in pots, but I read it somewhere that if you put it in the ground, it thrives really well. It likes to grow in the ground as opposed to in pots. So that's the reason I've just taken a section of it and put it here in the shade. And yeah, these are all my bright looking marigold, and the plus point is it smells amazing as well. So quite fragrant flowers. Bees love it, and all the beneficial insects love it. So it's good to grow this. So it's a win-win to everybody. And this is the sorrel again. I need to clear some grass which is overgrown. I need to put some mulch around this so that the moisture content is restored, because it gets direct sun here, and now summer is approaching soon, so we'll be having 30 plus degrees Celsius every day, so I don't want the leaves to get burnt. So yeah, this is a quick video that I wanted to share with you. Have a nice day, guys. Take care.